Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to reserve car on booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your booking.com account. Now on your screen, you can see options like search, saved, bookings and profile at the bottom, while at the top you can see the offers from booking.com where you can book stays, car rental, taxi and attraction. You have to select car rental, then under car rental you can see you have to type in your pickup and drop off location, put in your date and time. You can even choose driver's age, then tap on search. Once you do that, on the screen you can see booking.com is going to give you various options with price written right below. You can sort it by recommended, price, genius discount or review score, or you can filter it by the location, car type, supplier, transmission and air conditioning. Select the car you want, then tap on next step, give your payment details and tap on go book with extra protection. And guys, that's it. That's how you reserve a car on booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.